Alright, so for the first lesson we're going to be doing equations with fractions. Now, hopefully after my two examples, they will be really easy to you. So, we're going to start with a pretty simple one. X minus 1 over 3 plus x plus 2 over 6 equals 7. So, the way to solve equations with fractions is that you have to make everything, you have to times it by the common denominator, which is 6. So it's going to look like this. 6 times x minus 1 over 3 plus 6 times x plus 2 over 6 equals 6 times 7. So, to solve it like this, you can simplify it by that dividing by that. So it'll look like 6 divided by 3, which is 2 times x minus 1, plus, and then 6 divided by 6 is 1, so really it's x plus 2, and then equals 6 times 7, 42. So now it's basic algebra, since there's no fractions, which is the key to equations with fractions, taking away the fractions. So you're going to times everything in the bracket. So 2x minus 2, put that in brackets, plus x plus 2 equals 42. Now you have to combine common terms, so like x's and normal integers. So 2x plus x is 3x, and then minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So then it equals 42. Now, you have to make that x. To simplify it, so you divide it by 3, divide that by 3, and you have x equals 14. That's your answer. Alright, so we're going to do one more example with equations with fractions. So we're going to do 2n plus 10 over 4 minus n over 3 equals 1. And just for your knowledge, fractions really mean this divided by that, but you don't really need to know that. So, once again, we find the common term, which is 12. That's the lowest common. So, it's going to be 12 times 2n plus 10 over 4 minus 12 times n minus over 3 equals, let's just skip a step, 12 times 1. 12 times 1 is 12. So, same thing as we did before, division. So 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 2n plus 10 minus, and 12 divided by 3 is 4, 4n equals 12. So then once again we do the this timesing all the stuff in the brackets. So 6n plus 30 minus 4n equals 12. And once again we have to combine the common terms. So 6n minus 4n is 2n plus 30 equals 12. Now we didn't do this in the example before, but we have to also make this side just the variable and this side only number. So we have to take away this 30 and put it onto this side. So it'll look like 2n equals 12 minus 30. And 12 minus 30 is minus 18. So 2n equals minus 18. And we have to do the thing where we divide it by itself. So divided by 2, divided by 2, n equals minus 9. So I hope you learned something from this, and the next video will be equations with decimals. Thank you.